Right, hello and welcome back to another theme park vids video. Today we are at the Alton Resort. You know, we're somewhere new, somewhere different. Just going to stand up here out of the way for the moment. But yeah, it's currently about 5-6 o'clock I believe. Can't remember, I haven't looked in a while. But yeah, we're staying here tonight at the Splash Landings Hotel. Just had a great day on park with Ollie's World Tours, Simply Coasters, Theme Park Jake, saw Coaster Gens and Working, and also a bit of Hadley from Theme Park Magic, HRDZYT I believe. But yeah, I thought I'd give a little tour around the hotel and do some. I'm going to film a lot of videos from here today, over the next couple of, today and tomorrow. Loads of videos from here because obviously I'm away from parks for a couple of weeks now. So yeah, I thought I'd come up here and start the vlog from outside the hotel. And yeah, it's a gorgeous evening. Obviously, if you're unsure where the hotels are situated, I'll just show you here. The monorail station is just in those trees, or the monorail queue line. You can see the monorail just over there, just in those trees. It's literally a stone's throw from the monorail. And the hotel car parks are just over here. And so this is the Splash Landings. This is sort of the budget hotel here. It's not the most fancy, not the most decorative. It's getting a bit dated. I do think the rooms could do with an update, but it's still really fun. I'll show you some highlights from out here, or some general look around. Yeah, I love this ceiling piece in the middle, which is sort of the entrance. Obviously all the hotels sort of have this entrance piece now, which does look great. But yeah, just for reference, there is the hotels, and here's the path that you go up to the monorail for. Obviously it's just a real general vibe in this hotel. Really like it. I've only stayed here, and I've stayed here 3 times now. This is the 3rd visit. But yeah, it's gorgeous evening. We've left the park because we're eating roller coaster restaurant tonight, and that will be a separate video. Not sure when that will be out. Not sure what order I'm doing posting these in. But yeah, just a general look. Obviously there's the side of the hotel. It's a weird shape, but yeah, it looks great. It's overall a really nice hotel, and I'll share some more bits from inside. General look around the hotel, restaurant, etc. So yeah, join me inside. So yes, due to COVID-19 restrictions, we do have to wear these face masks inside at all times while you're not in your room or outside. But yeah, I'm going to spin you around in a second and I'll show you this main foyer area of the hotel. It's pretty massive, there's a lot to look at, and it's pretty sweaty up here, so if you don't like warm conditions, this isn't a hotel for you for definite. It's quite warm in the foyer, let's say that, and there's a very obvious reason why. So yes, the obvious reason why it's very warm up here is because of the indoor water park that the park has. You see the Master Blaster slide going up there. I've been in there 2 or 3 times I believe now, 3 times. And yeah, it's a real lot of fun. One of the better water slides I've done. I haven't done many. I'm not a massive water park fan, but this is a really good one. I'm going to come back later in the year, so I might show some footage from in there later in this year, out of season. But yeah, it got such a nice vibe in there. I'll take you down onto that path in a minute. But yeah, if I take you around here, there's so much to do in there. Just a general overview. There's the kids' pool just down there, the Master Blaster slide. You've got the hot tub jacuzzi, which I think is 16 plus. Obviously turned 16 today, so I can go in there. Well, hey. But yeah, you've got the main pool here. You can't really see it, but there's a lazy river. There's obviously that main tower of play just there. There's obviously outdoors, I'll show you in a bit. You've got Wet Wet Wet, which is the 3 water slide sort of things. And you've also just got the Russian Rapid. There's 2 slides, small slides over the back, as you see the bucket fall, and the main Master Blaster slide. So yeah, there's a lot to look at in here. Nearly tripped over a large deck chair. But yeah, this is the main area in the hotel. You've got the fish tank, which I'll show you in a second. The check-in desk there. The shop, which I'll have a brief look through. And obviously, Margarita's bar. You know, lovely little fish tank. You see, I don't know if this was introduced recently, since Shop Bay Reef, but I don't know. It looks really good. Love this van. Such a nice theming piece with the interior in there. Yeah, Margarita's bar is the bar. It's not really a restaurant. The restaurant is downstairs. I'll go there in a second. It's the bar that's down here in Splash Landings Hotel. Sorry, I completely got it wrong. But yeah, just a quick look, a general look in the shack. I'll have a look in a minute. But yeah, it's such a nice vibe in here. Really fun. There's live entertainment on a lot at the minute. And another look here. such a nice atmosphere. Let's have a look. The Roller Coaster restaurant, which I'm eating in there soon, obviously, as I said. Loads of performances, look. Splash landings, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7:45, 8:30. Really nice to see. But yeah, weather, you've even got the weather up here. Minimum temperature 5 degrees and maximum temperature 5 degrees. So yeah, I'm going to head out. No, I'm not going to head out, I'm going to head to the shack, go a few clips from in there, a nice bit of merch in there, and then I'm going to head down to Margarita's. Not Margarita's, Flambo Jambo. I've already been to Margarita's, get mixed up. So yes, down here in the shack you have just a general offering mainly of chocolate sweets. And you also have stuff like this, you have the pins down here.
Mummy, can I get
Then you also have the magnets, there's obviously the huge hairy creatures, pens, pencils, lots of ride merch to be honest. There's lots of general stuff. But then like trophies for Oblivion, Rita. The Rita mugs up there, then you got all the resins, including a Galactica one that I might buy at some point. Then the old Rickman one as well. Yeah, medals, matchboxes, snow globes, trophies, the lot. You got loads of drinkware over here. Some nice. I really like that. Some of the mugs this year. But yeah, pen sets, Monopoly, and other various items. So yes, back over by Margarita's Bar and Grill up here. I believe that is still there. Really love this view down into Flambo Jambo. I've seen lots of water in this hotel, as you can see. Obviously based on Splash Landings, it's like a Caribbean style water park with a hotel connected on the side. It's really nice vibe. But yeah, I love that running of water. And yeah, I'm going to head down to Flambo Jambo, it's just down there. Just to add, there is both stairs and lifts in this hotel. I'm taking stairs for the ease of the video. But yeah, there's lots to look at in this hotel, which I really like. There's loads of water features, pools. So there's Flambo Jambo's restaurant, and different services throughout the year. I'm going to head into the arcade now. We're down at Flambo's level. So there's plenty of levels to this hotel. Obviously, we're on level 2 now, I believe. Level 3 is that foyer area, level 1 is the Waterpark entrance, which I will take you down in a minute. But yeah, Flambo Jambo is just there, really nice like buffet restaurant breakfast sort of place. It does like pizza, I believe, stuff like that. But yeah, heading into the arcade now. So down here in the arcade, one place I'm not a big fan of in the base of, it's not very well themed, but it's just a generic amusement arcade with ticket machines, grabbers, 2p machines, slot machines, etc. It's fun for the family, not much to say. It's a bit of fun, but it could do with a bit of theming on the ceiling to match the rest of the hotel. It's also very loud in here at the moment. So yeah, we'll head out and probably head down towards the Waterpark entrance. So yes, next I was actually going to go down the Skyway, which I just walked back from. But it turns out I'm not allowed to take any pictures or film in there for some reason, which I'm not too sure, when you can film in here. I understand it's probably because of it's like children and privacy, etc., which is understandable, but it just seems a bit odd when you can take pictures and video from in here. So I already asked. But yeah, I'm just gonna, basically it's just a simple turnstile system down there, nothing particularly extraordinary. But yeah, we're gonna head back up and I'm gonna show you some more of the hotel. So here's a really nice look out. This is actually the hotel area at the resort. But yeah, really nice look out of the outdoor section there. But yeah, there's not actually that much more to explore around here. I think that will about wrap up the video. I'm going to head back outside and wrap up the video. We've seen the restaurant, the bar, the foyer. And yeah, I would show you around around the skywalk, but you can't film out there. So yeah, we're just going to head back into the main area of the hotel, this door. And yeah, wrap up the video. This is just a very quick look around. I'll put some photos in at the end of the room if you wanted to see. I just don't want to. I'm not going to do a full room tour because it's really messy at present. But yeah, it's just good. I'm really looking forward to tonight. Well, it's a restaurant later on. We're going to head into the park maybe for a little bit tonight, just before our hotel. But yeah, after hotel, I have a restaurant booking. But yeah, it's really nice vibe in here. Really enjoy it. If you like just this nice vibe, definitely check out Splash Landings Hotel for a one-of-a-kind experience. So yes, that about wraps up the splash landings section of this video and the video overall. I am planning on doing a couple of other ones from the other hotels in a minute, but yeah, it's overall such a nice, really nice hotel. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll put some pictures in, as I said at the end, of the room and other stuff. But yeah, it's really looking forward to staying here again. Really enjoyed it previously, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.